The year is 2091. For the first time in human history, every major observatory on Earth is watching the same thing. Not a comet, not an asteroid. Three objects, massive, silent, artificial. They are entering our solar system, and they are not slowing down. At first, astronomers think it must be an error. Life outside our solar system had yet to be detected. Instruments are recalibrated. Satellites double-check the data. But the results come back the same. Three objects, each one larger than the largest cities on Earth, moving in perfect formation, moving toward us. Within hours, Earth's governing council meet with Earth's three nations. Military satellites shift position. Deep space telescopes lock onto the objects. And the world's scientists begin asking the question no one has ever had to answer before. Are we about to meet another civilization, or something far worse? News leaks almost immediately. Within 12 hours, the entire world knows. 3 alien ships have entered the solar system. Stock markets freeze, air traffic slows. And across the planet, billions of people stare up at the night sky, even though the ships are still invisible. Then something strange happens. The ships stop traveling together. They separate. One moves above the orbital plane of the planets, one drops below it, and the third continues straight toward the center of the solar system. It is a maneuver no human military would make, but it is perfect, strategic, calculated. Within days, the pattern becomes clear. Each ship is moving toward a different position around Earth. Not attacking, not communicating, just slowly drifting closer, like pieces on a chessboard. And humanity suddenly realizes something terrifying. We are the center of their strategy. Panic spreads faster than any virus ever recorded. Governments urge calm, scientists promise answers, but no one has ever faced a moment like this. 3 alien ships, 3 silent visitors, and not a single signal sent to Earth. The ships are enormous. The largest one is estimated to be nearly 100 miles wide. It casts shadows across telescopes as it passes near Jupiter. The second glides silently beyond Saturn, and the third continues drifting inward, straight toward Earth. Military commanders prepare for the worst. Nuclear arsenals are placed on full alert. Experimental orbital weapons are activated. Fighter squadrons patrol the skies. But deep down, everyone knows the truth. If a civilization built ships this large, our weapons mean nothing. Then the first message arrives. Not from the ships, from our own instruments. A strange burst of energy ripples across the solar system. Every sensor detects it at the same time. It did not come from Earth. It came from the ships. The signal is not a language. It is not a picture. It is something far stranger. A pattern, a sequence of mathematical pulses. And as scientists decode it, a chilling realization begins to form. The signal is not meant for us. At first, scientists refuse to believe it, but the numbers are undeniable. The pulses mark precise intervals, hours, minutes, seconds. Something is about to happen. And whatever it is, the ships are preparing for it. The world holds its breath. Religious leaders speak to billions. Emergency bunkers fill overnight. Entire cities go dark to conserve power. But the ships remain silent. They simply hold their positions, waiting. When the countdown reaches its halfway point, humanity tries one last thing. Every communication system on Earth transmits a message. Radio, laser, quantum relays. Billions of voices combined into a single greeting. Hello, we are here. There is no reply, not even a change in course. The alien ships continue their silent watch over Earth, like judges observing a trial, and the countdown continues. Then, with less than 1 hour remaining, the ships finally move. Each vessel releases thousands of smaller objects. They spread outward like metallic dust, orbiting the planet in expanding rings. Humanity realizes too late what they are. Machines. The objects form a lattice around Earth, a glowing cage stretching from pole to pole. Satellites begin shutting down. Power grids fail. The sky fills with strange light, and the oceans begin to rise. Scientists scream warnings across emergency channels. The machines are altering Earth's gravitational balance, not destroying the planet with weapons, but changing the forces that hold it together. The crust begins to shift, continents tremble, mountains collapse. Then the countdown reaches 0. For a moment, nothing happens. No explosions, no beams of light, just silence. Then the machines activate. Across the planet, gravity spikes. The oceans surge upward, cities crumble like sand, and the Earth begins to break. Fault lines tear open across continents. Volcanoes erupt across the Pacific Ring. Entire regions vanish beneath rising seas. The planet that carried humanity for thousands of years is collapsing under forces it was never meant to endure. And above it all, the alien ships simply watch. Within minutes, the atmosphere ignites with fire. Shock waves circle the globe. Satellites fall from orbit, and pieces of the planet begin drifting into space. Humanity realizes the horrifying truth. This was never an invasion. It was a demolition. Somewhere in the darkness beyond the solar system, another civilization made a decision. Earth was in the way, and in less than 1 hour, they erased it. The last human signals fade into static. Cities disappear beneath fire and ocean. The moon watches silently as the blue planet fractures into glowing debris. The cradle of humanity is gone, reduced to a ring of broken stone orbiting the sun. And the 3 alien ships slowly turn away, their mission complete. No celebration, no message, just silent departure into the darkness between stars. In a universe this vast, the most dangerous thing a civilization can do is simply exist.